I'm glad to welcome you to the GB Cars Problems channel. Today, we are diving into the Peugeot 307, first generation, produced from 2001 to 2008. This compact family hatchback was a popular choice in the United Kingdom for its stylish French design and practical features. However, like many cars of its era, it has some notable weak spots that owners should be aware of. Let us start with the most common and frequently encountered problems, as per our channel's tradition. Electrical wiring issues top the list for many Peugeot 307 owners. Faulty wiring looms can lead to intermittent failures in lights, indicators, and even the central locking system, often requiring costly diagnostics and repairs. These electrical gremlins are exacerbated by the car's multiplex wiring system, which was innovative at the time but prone to glitches. Many drivers report dashboard warning lights flickering on without reason, sometimes linked to a failing battery or alternator. On the positive side, when everything works, the interior electronics provide a modern feel for a car of this age. Turbo failures are another major headache, especially in the diesel variants like the 1.6 or 2.0 HDI engines. The turbocharger can seize or leak oil due to poor lubrication or carbon buildup, leading to expensive replacements costing around £500 to £800. Regular oil changes and using quality fuel can mitigate this, but it is a weak spot that catches many owners off guard. Despite these issues, the diesel engines are praised for their fuel efficiency, often achieving over 50 miles per gallon on motorways. The turbo, when functioning, delivers peppy performance for overtaking. However, neglecting service intervals can accelerate failures, so proactive maintenance is key. Suspension problems are also widespread in the Peugeot 307. Rear axle bushes wear out quickly, causing clunks and instability on bumpy UK roads. Front wishbones and anti-roll bar links are other common culprits, with replacement parts available for under £100 each, but labour can add up. On the brighter side, the car's suspension setup offers a comfortable ride, absorbing potholes better than some rivals like the Ford Focus. Handling is nimble for city driving, making it enjoyable on twisty B-roads. Just be prepared for occasional visits to the mechanic to keep it smooth. Gearbox troubles affect both manual and automatic transmissions in this model. Manuals can develop synchromesh wear, leading to crunchy shifts, while automatics might suffer from solenoid failures or slipping gears. These issues often stem from the car's age and high mileage, with repairs ranging from £200 to £600. That said, a well-maintained gearbox shifts smoothly and complements the car's responsive steering. The 5-speed manual is particularly engaging for enthusiastic drivers. Overall, transmission reliability improves with regular fluid changes. Cooling system failures are a sneaky problem that can lead to overheating. Radiators and water pumps tend to leak or fail after about 80,000 miles, potentially causing head gasket issues if not addressed. Thermostats are inexpensive to replace, around £30, but ignoring warning signs can result in engine damage. Positively, the Peugeot 307's engines are generally robust once past these hurdles, with many lasting over 150,000 miles. The petrol options, like the 1.6 or 2.0, offer decent power without the turbo woes. Fuel economy in petrol models hovers around 35 miles per gallon, which is respectable for the era. Rust is an enemy for older examples, particularly around wheel arches and sills. The UK's salty winter roads accelerate corrosion, so underbody inspections are crucial before buying. A thorough rust treatment can extend the car's life, but neglected ones might fail MOT tests. However, the bodywork's galvanized steel holds up better than some contemporaries, and the design still looks fresh today. Spacious interiors accommodate families comfortably, with a boot capacity of over 350 litres. It is a practical choice for daily errands. Brake wear is faster than average due to the car's weight and soft pedal feel. Discs and pads need replacing every 30,000 miles or so, costing about £150 per axle. ABS sensors can also fail, triggering warning lights. On the upside, the braking system is effective, providing confident stops in wet conditions common in Britain. Upgraded pads can enhance performance for spirited driving. Safety features like multiple airbags were ahead of their time. Interior quality has mixed reviews, with plastics scratching easily and seat fabrics wearing thin. Door handles and window regulators often break, leading to frustrating repairs. The cabin can feel dated now, but it was innovative with its multifunctional steering wheel. That being said, the ergonomic layout and supportive seats make long journeys pleasant. Air conditioning, when working, keeps things cool during UK summers. It is a car that prioritizes comfort over luxury. Fuel pump failures plague some diesel models, causing starting issues or power loss. This is often due to contaminated fuel or electrical faults tying back to the wiring problems. Replacements cost around £200, but diagnosis can be tricky without specialist tools. Fortunately, the car's overall running costs are low, with parts widely available from suppliers like Euro Car Parts. Insurance groups are reasonable, starting from Group 10, making it affordable for younger drivers. Reliability improves in later 2005 onwards facelift models. Exhaust gas recirculation valve, or EGR, blockages are common in diesels, leading to rough idling and reduced performance. Cleaning or replacing it every 50,000 miles prevents bigger issues. This is a design flaw shared with many French cars of the period. Positively, once sorted, the engines run cleanly and meet Euro 4 emission standards. The car's environmental footprint is better than many petrol alternatives. It appeals to eco-conscious buyers on a budget. Timing belt failures can be catastrophic if not changed every 60,000 miles. The belt drives the engine's vital components, and snapping leads to bent valves. Always check service history for this when purchasing a used one. On the good side, the engines are tunable for more power, attracting modifiers. Smooth power delivery makes it fun for commuting. It is not a sports car, but it handles daily duties well. Airbag warning lights often illuminate due to faulty connectors under the seats. This is a simple fix but requires resetting the ECU. Safety is compromised if ignored, so address it promptly. However, the Peugeot 307 scored 4 stars in Euro NCAP tests, which was solid for 2001. Features like electronic stability control in higher trims add reassurance. It is safer than it looks. Central locking motors fail frequently, leaving doors unlocked or jammed. This is tied to the electrical system and costs about £50 per door to repair. Thieves might exploit this, so security upgrades are wise. That noted, the car's alarm system is effective when functional. Remote key fobs are programmable at home. It provides peace of mind for urban parking. Headlight bulbs burn out quicker due to poor sealing, allowing moisture in. Xenon options in top models are brighter but more expensive to replace. Visibility on dark country lanes suffers otherwise. Positively, the distinctive cat-eye headlights give it character. Fog lights aid in misty British weather. Styling remains appealing to design fans. Clutch wear in manuals is accelerated by stop-start city driving. Dual-mass flywheels can rattle and fail, with full clutch kits costing £400. Slipping clutches reduce drivability. On the flip side, the clutch pedal is light and easy to modulate. Paired with responsive engines, it makes for an engaging drive. Enthusiasts appreciate the mechanical feel. Power steering pumps whine or leak in higher mileage cars. Electric pumps in some variants are more reliable but can overheat. Repairs run from £100 to £300. However, steering feedback is precise, enhancing control on motorways. The system's lightness aids parking in tight UK spots. It contributes to the car's agile nature. Battery drain issues arise from parasitic electrical draws, often from faulty modules. This leaves owners stranded with flat batteries. A new battery costs around £80, but finding the root cause is essential. Fortunately, the car's electrics support modern accessories like phone chargers. Jump-starting is straightforward. It is forgiving for forgetful owners. Windscreen wiper motors seize in rainy climates, a common UK complaint. Blades wear quickly too, needing annual replacement. Visibility is key for safety. That said, the large windscreen offers excellent forward views. Automatic wipers in some models add convenience. It handles British weather well. Fuel injector problems in diesels cause misfires and black smoke. Cleaning or replacement every 70,000 miles prevents this. Poor fuel quality exacerbates it. Positively, injectors deliver efficient combustion when clean. The car's torque makes hill climbing effortless. It is great for loaded family trips. Catalytic converter failures lead to MOT failures due to emissions. Clogging from short trips is common. Replacements cost £500 or more. On the upside, a healthy cat keeps the car road legal. The exhaust note is refined. It suits quiet suburban life. Door seal degradation lets water in, causing damp carpets and mold. This is worse in estate versions. New seals are cheap but fitting them is fiddly. However, the seals enhance cabin quietness when intact. Wind noise is low at speed. It provides a serene environment. Alternator bearings wear out, causing charging issues. Noisy operation signals failure. Parts cost £200. That noted, a reliable alternator supports the car's gadgets. It rarely strands you if monitored. Electrical stability is achievable. Thermostat housing cracks lead to coolant leaks. Plastic components degrade over time. Quick fixes prevent overheating. Positively, the cooling system is efficient once repaired. Engine temps stay stable. It is built for reliability. In conclusion, the Peugeot 307 is a charming family car with French flair, offering comfort, space, and efficiency for budget-conscious buyers. However, its electrical woes, turbo issues, and other age-related problems make it best suited for DIY enthusiasts or those with access to affordable mechanics, ideally in the used market for under £1,000. It would suit city dwellers who value style over bulletproof reliability, but steer clear if you want hassle-free motoring. And if you own this automotive masterpiece, please describe the problems you encountered while driving it. Perhaps your review will help viewers when choosing a car. That's all I have for now. Thank you all very much for your attention. I'd be very grateful if you subscribe to the channel. See you soon.